Today we're going to be making one of my favorite cookie recipes. Hi, I'm Kristen of White Arrows Home, and I'm excited to welcome you into my kitchen in the Northwoods of Wisconsin. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite cookie recipes because it has a lot of my favorite ingredients. It's a pretzel sea salt cookie. Let's get started. Begin by melting 2 sticks of butter in a saucepan on medium heat. Bring the butter to a boil and stir constantly until the butter is no longer foamy and becomes an amber color. Remove from heat and allow it to cool for 20 minutes. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and begin combining the dry ingredients. Add 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1½ teaspoon of sea salt to a bowl. Mix and set aside. Now mix into the cooled butter 1½ cups of brown sugar, 2 eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Just keep on stirring. Now pour this mixture into the dry ingredients. Look at that beautiful butter. Then mix it all up. Now for the fun part. Add 1 cup chocolate chips, one cup butterscotch chips, and 1 cup of crushed pretzels. Combine it all together. It doesn't get any better than this. Now, using a cookie scoop, drop your dough on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden. After you pull them out of the oven, sprinkle flaky salt on each cookie. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll follow along on my blog to get the full recipe, www.whitearrowshome.com. You can also follow along all our Northwoods fun in my socials, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of them at White Arrows Home. You can find more details in the description. And be sure to follow your arrow.